am co-founder of RemePhy. Recently got my PhD from Imperial on SynBio, and RemePhy spun out from Imperial College 5 months ago. RemePhy is an early-stage phytoremediation startup, so we're developing plant bacterial systems in order to use these plants and effectively remediate, accumulate heavy metals from the soil in order to purify them. So we use phytoremediation in order to decontaminate polluted soil. I think it's a unique place because it brings together all these different disciplines, and it emphasizes a bit more on deep tech ventures, and it gives the space for these people and companies to evolve. And maybe most importantly, it also facilitates collaborations between academia, private sector and industry